Well, all at the Doha shopping mall at the moment. I'm at a candy store. I shouldn't be eating candy, but I do a sweet tooth occasionally. I'm at a place called Harbo. I'll show you now. There you go. I'm always on the lookout for sweets. Not all kinds of sweets, but sweets like sour, man. I've had sour in Australia, I've had sour in the US, sour in England, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, but I found a sour lolly here, man. And this man is going to give me a bags full. Look at all the sweets. April. I'm gonna have one now. Man, it's so sour.
It's very sour.
Give me one yellow. I've got yellows and oranges. They look like lemon peels on them. See how they look like? It's so sour. Man, I better come over here because once I put this in my mouth, you've got to basically hold on to something when you bite it, man. That's how sour it is, huh? You want to buy it? Oh! So sour! All sour pills or candy pills. Candy. This one bites the dust, man. It's still sour now. Look at that. It's a good feeling though. Really, really good. I don't know if we've got it back in Australia, but it's grouse. They even got the chocolate. Only 39 QR here.
And sort of
In Australia, we pay a fortune for that chocolate. I was seeing up to $33 a block at the Victorian market. It's ridiculous. That's the lollies I'm going to be buying. Sour as. Believe me. So if you're in Qatar, Doha, shopping malls, you all got these stands. Hop in and try the sour ones, man. Until then, from Chef Sam in Doha, Qatar. See you later. Bye.